Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a simple flickering light using a light function material in Unreal Engine 5. Let's get right into it. So I already have a darkroom set up with a spotlight in it. We want to go to our content drawer, right click, create a material, and we'll just name it M_flickering light. We'll open that up. And the first thing we want to do is come over to our details panel under material domain, click that drop down and click light function. As you can see over here, it gets rid of all choices except for emissive color because that's what we need for our light. So the first thing we want to do is right click and add a time node. We want to drag off of that and get a multiply node. From there, we want to add a sine node. And then off of that, we want to add a frac node. Let me connect that to emissive color. And you can see here it starts to flicker. One thing I forgot to mention, if you want to change how fast or slow it flickers, you can change this constant that is on the other side of the multiply node. So you can change it to 0.5 and it flickers slower. Or you can change it to 3 and it flickers really fast. If you need a light that flickers consistently, repeatedly, this is the fastest and easiest way to go. So we'll just save that. We'll go back to our map. Let's click on our light and we'll scroll down until we see light function. We'll just click that drop down and type in M_flickering light. We'll select that. And if we click off, you can see here that the light is flickering. And there you have it, a simple flickering light. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow and helps to bring you more content just like this. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a new upload. Comment down below with what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a great day.